Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. So we were discussing this Sikshashtakam, the first stanza, first line, that is Cheto Darpanam Marjanam Bhava Maha Davagni Nirvapanam. And so this holy name has the capacity to destroy the all the dust that is accumulated. And in this connection, we were seeing the Bhagavad Gita third chapter towards the end. Krishna mentions how the karma, and krodha, these are the greatest enemies, specifically the kama or the lust, that means to the desire to enjoy the property of Krishna without Krishna, right? So that is called lust. And the real kind of activity is that is prema, or devotion to the Lord. Devotion to the Lord means to rightfully recognize that everything that exists belongs to Krishna, and it should be rightfully used in his service. That is the proper utilization of things. But then if we try to utilize things for our own sense gratification, so then it is called lust, right? And this is considered to be the greatest enemy. And this kind of thought process is considered to be the greatest enemy in our for all the living entities, and especially for those who are practicing Krishna consciousness, who are trying to advance in Krishna consciousness. So this is the greatest enemy, right? And Kama yesha krodha yesha rajo guna samadbhava mahashano mahapapma vidyena miha vairinam. So it is lust only, Arjuna, which is born of contact with material mode of passion and later transformed into Vard, and which is all devouring sinful enemy of this world. And we saw this avrutam jnana yetena jnanino nitya vairina kama rupena kaunteya duspurena analena cha. So this lust actually covers the knowledge. So knowledge is that I am part and parcel of Krishna, I am meant to serve Krishna. So this is real knowledge. And this lust actually covers this pure knowledge. And the lust actually, it just burns like an uncontrollable fire, and it consumes all the sense objects. And then it also covers us, and it also keeps us in ignorance, right? So when we try to see that, this is a very important principle. So this desire for enjoying separate from Krishna is what is nourishing this material life. Is what is actually keeping this material life going. And we'll have to see that now. Next thing, Krishna is going to mention, where does this enemy sit, right? So he is mentioning that Indriyani mano buddhir here Krishna is mentioning the senses, the mind, and the intelligence are the sitting places of this lust. Through them, the lust covers the real knowledge of living entity and bewilders him. Right. So this bewildering aspect of the lust is, the moment we have the sense gratificatory thought, immediately we forget everything about Krishna. Right. And where does this lust operates from? So it operates from the senses, mind, and intelligence. The senses are dragged always to be engaged in the sense objects, and the mind is always dragged to be engaged in sense gratificatory thoughts, and intelligence in plan making for sense gratification. So when these strategic points are applied in Krishna consciousness, so then it becomes very, very nice. Then it becomes, then we we counteract the lust, and then mam eve prapadyante maya metam tarantite, right? So daivihi esha gunamayi mama maya duratyaya mam eve prapadyante maya metam tarantite. So this prapanna, or this surrender to Krishna, is how does it happen? So by the way of following the instructions of scriptures, and all the instructions of scriptures are directed towards this point, how to apply mind, intelligence, and senses in service of Krishna. And one is that, we may say that some practical ways. So practical ways are the physical engagement of these entities, and another is by the way of mercy. By the way of by serving the spiritual master and pleasing him. So like we get mercy, and we get purification of mind, and we get purification of senses, and our intelligence become purified, right? And then by worshipping Tulsi, by offering, like what is that, offering some service, practical service to some Vaishnavas. So in this way, like we see that no, the mercy factor, no, it is very, very powerful. It can just simply at a moment's this one time, it can just purify our mind, right? So this increases intelligence. This service and mercy reduces the lust and material contamination, right? So in this way, like this is all very, very powerful process. And amongst all these process, no, the most important process or the Yuga Dharma is the chanting of the names of the Lord. And that is why we have exclusive planned time every day, for doing this very, very important activity. So we just, we secure this time, so that nothing else comes in this time, and we don't do anything else. We just simply focus on the names at this point in time, right? So now this is the places in which it is there. And then the next two slokas is going to be like a little bit more into depth of this particular concept, so that we will see later. So most important thing is that we know what is our enemy, and we know where does this enemy sit. And this chanting is a very, very powerful process to counteract this enemy. And if we have to really counteract this enemy with the process of chanting, then our senses, mind and intelligence all should be engaged in the process of chanting. So how do we engage? So one is that we are touching the beads, our sense of touch is engaged, and then we are chanting, our speaking sense is engaged, and then we are hearing. So our hearing sense is also engaged. So in this way, like we are engaging, three of very, very powerful senses. And when we are trying to, and some devotees also keep Hare Krishna mantra, the letters in front of them. So in that way, the seeing sense is also engaged, right? And then if we are sitting in the temple hall, and then where nice worship has happened, so then there will be nice fragrance also. So all the senses can be engaged nicely. But most importantly, we have to focus on the syllables, and we have to give a lot of attention on the sound vibration, right? And then the mind's only business, Prabhupada says, is that, what's the job of the mind in chanting? So just we need to chant and hear, we need to chant and hear. So the mind and intelligence, can be used for, whenever the mind goes here and there, the intelligence can be used for dragging it back into the holy name, right? So that way we can take alert, we can keep alert of our this one. So that's the use of intelligence in the process of chanting. So otherwise, just by engaging, in this way, like the properly pronouncing the holy name and properly hearing them with a lot of attention, so the process is very, very perfect. And Prabhupada says all spiritual vision will be available. If we perfect this process gradually, we will have all spiritual vision, right? So this is the very important thing. So Cheto Darpana Marjanam. So holy name really has the power to cleanse our heart. Now only that we have to do it in a right way, and it is possible. It is definitely possible, right? So with this, we will start. We'll chant our Sikshashtakam prayers, and then we will try for a very, very absorbed session of chanting. Cheto darpana marjanam bhavamahadavagninirvapanam Shreya kairava chandrika vitaranam Vidyavadu jivanam Anandambudhi vardhanam Pratipadam purnamrita swadanam Sarvatma snapanam param vijayate Shri Krishna sankirtanam नाम नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्वशक्ति तत्रार्पिता नियमित स्मरणेन कालः एतादृशी तव कृपा भगवन् ममापि दुर्दैवमीदृशं इहा जनिनानुरागः तृणादपि सुनिचेन तरोरपि सहिष्णुना अमानिन मानदेन कीर्तनेय सदा हरिः न धनं न जनं न सुन्दरी कवितां वा जगदीश कामये मम जन्मनि जन्मनीश्वरे भवताद्भक्तिरहैतुकी त्वयि अयि नन्दतनुज किङ्करं पतितां मां विषमे भवाम्बुधो कृपया तव पादपङ्कज स्थितधूलिसदृशं विचिन्तया नयनं गलदश्रुधारया वदनं गद्गदरुद्धया गिरा पुलकैर्निचितं वपु कदा तव नाम ग्रहणे भविष्यति युगायितं निमेषेण चक्षुषा प्रावशायितं शून्यायितं जगत्सर्वं गोविन्द विरहेण मे आश्लिष्यवापादरतां पिनस्तु माम् अदर्शनान् मर्महतां करोतु वा यथा तथा वा विदधातु लम्पटो मत्प्राणनाथस्तु स एव नात्परः हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय।